Welcome back everyone to another video here at Alexis Hidalgo Tech. Today we're doing the unboxing and initial setup of the 44mm white Galaxy Watch 8. I managed to score this watch on Amazon for only 222 euros, down from its launch price of 409 euros and 99 cents. Right now the price has dropped by 45%, which is exactly why it pays to wait. This version comes with a white silicone band, an aluminum alloy bezel, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, one UI 8 watch, and Gemini integration. All of this is powered by 2 gigabytes of RAM. Honestly, it's unbelievable that Samsung still hasn't managed to design tamper-evident box seals that don't fail, unlike Apple's. Inside the box, we have the user manuals and the puck charger. The charger supports 10-watt fast charging and is only compatible with the Galaxy Watch 7 and 8. Models from the Watch 6 and older are not compatible with this charger. Here's the watch itself, but what we're looking for right now is the band. This shows how the new quick-release band system works. The included silicone strap is size M/L and has a really nice texture to it. On the back, the watch has a very plastic look and feel. It's white, and beneath the existing sensor array, we now have a new sensor that measures your antioxidant levels when you place your finger on it. On the left side, we have our speakers, and on the right, there are 2 physical buttons. The display is a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED panel. Now let's dive into the initial setup. Keep in mind that you need to have the Galaxy Wearable app updated before getting started. To begin, turn on your phone. Choose your language. Select your region. The watch will pop up on your phone screen, ready to pair. Tap Connect. Grant the necessary permissions. Confirm that the passkey on your screen matches the one on the watch. The watch software will check for updates. Grant all permissions and accept the terms and conditions. Link your Google account. Accept the terms and conditions once again. This screen explains how Gemini works on the watch. Here you can choose whether you want to auto-install all companion apps from your phone onto the watch. If you want to enable automatic backups, tap Next. Accept and grant all necessary system permissions to the watch. Now grant additional permissions, but this time for Smart Switch. Next, it asks if I want to restore a backup from previous watches. I'm going to skip this. Select which wrist you'll be wearing your watch on. This screen highlights how stress tracking works. The next one shows how the sleep quality tracker works. Now we have a built-in, free-running coach feature. On this screen, you can set up Samsung Wallet. I'm going to skip this step for now. And just like that, our watch is fully set up and ready to go.